vine-ripened tomatoes and slices of mild bocconcini cheese tossed with blanched asparagus, chopped basil, drizzled with a honey balsamic vinegar glaze. Looking for a sensational springtime salad? Then let's make this flavor-forward caprese salad with asparagus. Here's what happens when a very famous Italian salad of tomato, mozzarella, and basil meets asparagus. It's incredible. And this is very important too. It's super easy to make. Let's go. We start at the sink. We're gonna rinse 2 bunches of asparagus and 12 vine-ripened tomatoes. Before leaving that sink, we're gonna fill up a large pot with cold water. We're also gonna grab a large bowl, fill it with cold water too. Now to our workstation, add a few cups of ice to that big bowl of water, and then let's start with the asparagus. We're gonna trim off the very bottoms of the spears, then cut them on an angle. I usually cut the stems into thirds. The asparagus goes into the pot. Place the pot at stovetop, but just leave it there for a second. Back to our workstation, you're gonna need a large salad bowl. And now the caprese salad part. We need fresh tomatoes, mozzarella, and fresh basil. You can use your favorite tomatoes for this recipe, just make sure they are sweet. I have 12 vine-ripened here. I'm gonna cut them into quarters and then transfer the cut tomatoes to the salad bowl. Now cheese, please. A small version of fresh mozzarella cheese. Today, 3 examples on sizing. The largest, sometimes called eggs. There's a smaller appetizer size called cherries or minis, and then the tiniest ones called pearls. Pick a size that works for your purposes. I went with the largest one. I'm slicing it and then transferring the slices to the salad bowl. Last ingredient for the caprese portion of the program, fresh basil. If you have it growing in your garden, amazing. Take maybe 8 to 12 leaves, a chiffonade. We're gonna cut it into strips. The basil goes into the salad bowl, and notice that color combination, green, white, red, same colors as the Italian flag. Perfetto. Now the easiest honey balsamic drizzle ever. Small bowl, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey and then 1 tablespoon of an aged balsamic vinegar. Splurge here and buy a good one. Dinkiest whisk to combine, then set the honey balsamic drizzle to the side along with some sea salt flakes and freshly ground pepper. The final step is to blanch the asparagus, and remember, we have the pot filled with cold water. To blanch asparagus properly, it's a cold water start. The pot is already on stovetop. We're now going to turn the heat to high. As soon as the pot comes to a boil, start your timer, set to only 30 seconds. It'll happen quickly. Then immediately strain the asparagus into a colander, then spill the asparagus into that big bowl of ice water. Stir with your hand. We're going to stop the cooking of the asparagus straight away. Strain again, and then transfer the blanched asparagus to the salad bowl. Pro tip, we're gonna toss the salad now to combine. Just remember, be gentle. Gently tossing to combine the tomatoes and cheese and fresh basil and perfectly cooked asparagus. We're gonna transfer to a bowl or an attractive oval platter. Look how beautiful this is. We're now gonna dress the salad. Do a drizzle of high quality olive oil, then drizzle with our honeyed balsamic vinegar. Finally, sprinkle black pepper and crunchy sea salt flakes. And that is it. Actually, no, it's not. Now you have to make it. Full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up and drop us comments. And then after that, when you make a salad this sensational, take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. A delicious caprese salad with asparagus. Perfect anytime you need a salad side or a standalone meal idea. Enjoy! So good. Buon appetito!